Right, look at the basic alarm test functions of the machine. Menu button. We've got 4 pages on there. Restrictions page, which is where we set up the limits. Status page, which gives us the status of all the various sensors on the machine at the moment. The more page gives us the error analysis the system sees on its own system at the moment. And finally, the test page. On the test page, we've got the test button, which gives us access to a lot of information about the system, and the alarm test button. If I press the alarm test button, what's going to happen is the system will cycle through all of its warning lamps and external alarms, plus the LEDs on the side of the system, one by one, just to test that they're all working correctly. So I'm going to press it now. Alarm test, the blue lamp should be on and off. The white and red lamps on the side should be turned on and off. The tipping alarm, the trailer breakaway alarm, the amber LED, and the red LED. Okay, one more time, alarm test.